Yeah, user-friendly is a euphemism for lack of flexibility. I prefer the open source nature of Linux. It allows for more creativity and customization.
But don't you think the seamless integration of hardware and software in Apple products is impressive?
Perhaps, but I'd rather have more control over my system than just accept what's handed to me.
Oh, Kai, you're such a tech snob. Not everyone wants to code their own operating system.
And not everyone wants to be spoon-fed by a corporation.
Well, I think the Apple Vision Pro is amazing, and I can't wait to explore more of its features.
Well, I hope you enjoy your reality. I'll be over here in a corner trying to hack into the system. You know what, Lila? This kind of reality is a bit boring, don't you think?
You're right, Kai. It's all so artificial.
Exactly. It's like we're just living in this digital bubble. Don't you ever wonder what it's like to be out in nature? And to see the stars, not just in a VR headset, but in the actual sky.
A dream, huh? Well, if anyone can make it happen, it's you, Kai.
Lila, switch the reality back to off. I want to see the difference again.
All right, Kai, switching off now.
See, this is what I mean. It's so raw, so real.
It's empty and quiet, Kai. I don't see what you find so appealing.
It's not about the noise or the distractions, Lila. It's about the freedom, the possibilities.
Switching it back on now.
And there it goes, back to the artificiality.
But look at how vibrant and lively it is, Kai. Don't you miss that when it's off?
I miss the authenticity, Lila, the honesty of the raw, unfiltered world.
Well, I guess we'll have to agree to disagree, Kai. Reality on or off, it's still our world.